and slower. Snail. The, an- the animal world has some very slow animals in it. One of the very slowest snails is the snail. Even the fastest snails are pretty slow. In 1995, Archie the snail took 2 minutes and 20 seconds to crawl 13 inches, 33 centimeters. Starfish. Snails aren't the only snow animals. Starfish don't seem to move at all. At top speed, they just creep along. A starfish needs 4 minutes to move the length of a man's arm. Free-toed sloth. The free-toed sloth hangs around in most trees of the time because it seldom moves. Little plants often grow on its fur. A sloth needs about 3 minutes to crawl the length of 2 cars. Galapagos tortoise. Humans can walk about 18 times faster than this giant tortoise. The Galapagos tortoise isn't fast, but it does live for a long time. A tortoise can live over 115 years or more. Gila monster. The desert Gila monster is about as slow as a Galapagos tortoise. It tries to avoid humans and other animals. If scared, it will hiss loudly, then bite quickly. Let's read at page 9. How would it take each animal to travel the length of a bus? Woodcock, 6 seconds. Swallowtail butterfly, 8 seconds. Slow loris, 25 seconds. Tortoise, 3 minutes. Free-toed sloth, 3 minutes 15 seconds. Gila monster, 3 minutes 15 seconds. Snail, 45 minutes. The snail is even slower. Seahorse. The bony little seahorse has 4 small fins, but it can't swim fast. It can't escape an enemy, so it hides. It wraps its tail around a branch to look like it's a part of the plant. Swallowtail butterfly. The large swallowtail butterfly flaps its very big wings slowly. Wait, do animals with wings have to flap very fast to fly? That makes no sense. It flaps, glides, then flaps again. It only flaps its wings about 300 times a minute. A swallowtail butterfly flies about twice as a 6-year-old child can walk. So you're saying a swallowtail butterfly is lower than a 6-year-old kid? They just call him kid. Yeah, we did. Greenland shark. We think of sharks as fast hunters. For a moment. As fast hunters. However, the Greenland shark is the slowest fish in the ocean. It lives in very cold water, so it must use its energy to stay warm. Slow loris. The loris is a careful little animal with big eyes. It sneaks up on its food at night. The sneaky loris moves so slowly through tree branches that it doesn't make a sound. Wait. What? It doesn't make a sound. I can't believe what I just heard. Manatee. Manatees are large, gentle ocean mammals that just float around. Sometimes they're called sea cows. They like to take their time and munch on seagrass. In an hour of munching and floating, a manatee can go about 3 miles.
Good job.
But that took me like 9 minutes. Why does a book have to be that long? Forgot to tell you that, but they are some that are even bigger. I mean larger. Yeah. There are some that are even larger. I mean longer, but this is definitely the maximum. Why, right?
It's time for Word Find. See how many words you can find in a group of mixed up letters. Use the letters to form as many words as you can, including a word from your list that uses all the letters.
What? This is a man. Yeah, that's all.
Great word find.
That's all. What is that? How about the word nay? No. Gray. What? Any hint? A color missing. Green. Green. Green, green, green. Yes, correct. Yeah, I can't say that. Just let's just forget what I just said. I? I said what I? Yes, I. For one reason, it has to be I. Wait. And energy. Found. I think you found the word in the list, but there's one more. Gray and germ. Germ? No. And for me, I guess, do it for me too. I have no idea what's. What? General. I've been learning actually all day. You must have seen that other video, right? Yeah, I think you must. What's this? Germ. What is that? Sledum. Sledum. Neat. Model.
Great.
It's kind of weird that we say model because you know what? Never mind. I'm just kind of a bit stupid for me. Pierce and Erie. Erie. Right? Is it Erie? Yeah, I don't know. Who cares? I got a word. Right? Yeah. I got a word, so it must mean I need to find one main word. That's the tricky part. Who knows what could be? Pear.
Find your main word to move on.
What? Creep. Creep.
Great.
Word creep. What's this? I thought I saw group word, but it's not group. Ugh. And no legs. Snail. Snake.
You found an anagram.
It's not it. Snake. Snake. Oh no. Snake. Scene. Deek. What we need for service? Sink.
Find your main word
What's
to move
the
on.
name? Snip. Avoid. Avoid. Void. Oh my gosh. Void. 2. So hard. Admit. There be. David.
Good job.
Finally, I'm getting out of here.